Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm kicking off Orctober with a mechanic boy from Blue Sky Minis. This is their version of the Orc mech, but it's a bit bigger and there's not so many unnecessary details about this one. This mini was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. I get started with the skin using emerald green as the base colour. This is one of the two thin coats paints that I finally got delivered. They cover pretty well and they actually work nicer than I thought they would. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. They can share anything you have been working on. Next up is the jacket, and I went for Vallejo's Cork Brown. It's a nice light brown colour. For his bottoms, I went for a darker brown with ancient forest. To finish up the clothing, I went for black brown. I tried to keep all the clothing fairly neutral just so that the brighter colours of the army actually pop out that bit more. To begin highlighting the green, I went for ethereal green. This is going to be covering up majority of the skin, just leaving that darker green in the recesses and the shadows. All the metal parts are now done with a quick once over with old silver. The accent color for this army is going to be red, so for all of the small details and some of the cables I went for flat red. To break up some of those cables, I used Skeleton Legion, just for one of them as well as the teeth. Now onto the main colour of the army, starting off with crystal blue for all of those armour plates. Highlighting the red, I used Demon Red. The final highlight for the green skin is Escorpino Green for the uppermost raised areas, as well as adding some detail to those muscles. For the blue, I'm going to be doing an edge highlight using electric blue. The jacket was looking a little bit flat, so I grabbed cobalt skin and just done a quick highlight over some of those sharp edges. I've highlighted pretty much everything else, so I figured I may as well highlight the bottoms as well. For these I used Dust Bowl. To break up the silver bits and add a little more detail, I went for true copper. There's no set order to what I'm doing this with, it's just picking out some random panels and painting them with this. Getting started with the washes, I used dark tone to do the metal parts, the boots and the base. Next up is strong tone for the remaining brown parts as well as the base again. The armor panels get a wash of thinned down blue tone, just to add some shadow. I also thought I'd try adding this wash to the hologram, just to see if it actually looks decent, and it's not terrible, it gives it a bit of a purple tint. Just to blend the green together a little bit, I used some thinned down green tone. And that will be it for the Mechanic Boy. Very much an upgrade from the Games Workshop mechs I have in my old Orc army. So with that in mind, I'm actually going to start the process of printing out an entire army just for Blue Sky Minis. The only thing they are missing in their collection is trucks and battle wagons. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.